Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You open Chrome Music Lab and pick Cave Wave to start shaping sound. You need only a browser and headphones. First, set tempo and scale so the waveform aligns with your musical goal. This affects pitch relationships and rhythmic feel. Next, lower master volume to half while testing so sudden peaks don't hurt your ears. Once done, enable any visual grid or snap options to help with precise edits before you begin placing notes and modulating parameters. Now you draw or place notes across the time grid to form the cave-like pattern. Placing clustered notes increases density and creates resonance. Then tweak speed and interaction controls. Slower speed lengthens echoes. Faster interactions create complex interference patterns, which explains why small changes greatly alter the texture. Make liberal use of reverb and delay to build a cavernous sense of space. Balance wet/dry so the cave effect remains distinct rather than muddy. Finish by refining amplitude and filter envelopes to control attack and decay. You do this so each event sits clearly in the mix and the cave effect reads well. Once satisfied, record or export your loop and consider a tiny BPM tweak if timing feels sluggish. If the sound becomes muddy, reduce reverb, lower overlapping note density, or cut low frequencies slightly. If latency or glitches appear, reload the page, close other tabs, and retry to eliminate CPU-induced artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.